And so this is especially for people who are super sick, who have neurological symptoms. You want to get out of the environment,
Right.
and into a safe mold-free environment.
Yeah,
And
and how do you do that? Well, you pay attention to how is the air when you first go in a new place? Does it feel clean and fresh, or is it heavy air and does it have odors? If it's heavy air and odors, it's a no. You're done. You're not going to look anymore. And then once you find one that you feel good in, you stay there for a few days and make sure that you're improving in that environment before you rent or buy. That's how you do it. And then you do the testing, but you don't bother testing unless you feel good in that environment. It saves a
right,
lot of time.
right, okay, and that makes sense. And then you get assigned a CT scan. Of course, you're an ENT, so you're going to get that on anybody anyway coming in.
Yeah,
And
you got to get a CT scan just to evaluate, do they really have a fungus ball in there that needs to come out?
mm-hmm.
And then if it does, you got to take it out surgically. You can't get rid of a fungus ball with pills,
Right.